What do you do with your daughter's memento dried flowers from her prom? They're too fat to put in a regular shadow box, and they're too fragile to do much of anything else with. And you don't want them lying around the house getting crushed. Well, I have a suggestion for you. I found this delightful copper basket, and I thought what a great shadow box it would make. So I took some copper wire, cut it to just the right length, and put it through the ribbon of her her dried flowers, and then carefully brought the dried flowers into the basket and secured them with the wire at the top. Now, I think I want it to come up a little higher, so I'm going to rearrange it so that it'll hang just a little bit more, and then turn it so that the flowers are at the front. When I have it just the way I like it, I'm going to go ahead and secure that with the copper wire. Of course, it won't show because it's copper on copper. Once you have that secured just the way you want it, and you could wrap the copper wire around the flowers themselves too. And then I thought, well, as long as we have the flowers there, we might as well have the prom picture as well. So I took a piece of foam core board, and I took a big-headed pin, poked a hole in the foam core board and made it big, took some copper wire, threaded it through the two holes and brought it out the back side, and then put the picture on the foam core board. This gives it a little bit of stability, and I don't have to put a hole in the picture in order to hang it. And then I can decide where I want that to hang in here with her flowers. Pull it up to the height that I want it. Secure it with the wire. And now I have a wonderful, very attractive shadow box for her dried flowers and her picture from her prom, and they won't get crushed.